Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the sound and app crashing issues on your Samsung Smart TV in 2025. So step 1, you can press the home button on your remote control and go to settings, and then support, and then device care. And also after that, you will run a self-diagnosis to detect software issues. Step 2, for sound issues, you can go to settings and then sound output and ensure the correct output is selected, like your TV speakers or a soundbar. Step 3, if there is no sound, you can do a soft reset by holding the power button on the remote control for 5 to 10 seconds until the TV restarts. Step 4, for app crashes, you can go to settings and then apps and then manage installed apps and then select the crashing app and you can tap clear cache and data on that app. Step 5, check for system updates. You can go to settings and then support and then software update and click update now to ensure the latest firmware is installed. Step 6, if problems still persist, you can do a factory reset from settings and then general and then reset. And be sure to back up any settings first that you want to retain. And now, your Samsung Smart TV should work smoothly without audio or app problems. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.